Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be working on this gazebo. The customer wants me to take this apart and build a similar one right here. So let's get started. First, what I need to do is just take some pictures, which I already did, and then take it apart and put some posts into the concrete and then build it from there. So the best thing to do is probably put a tarp or something so less to clean up later. And what am I gonna do here? I'll trim some bushes so they're out of my way, and then take this apart, dig this out, and install new concrete. With the best thing to do, probably, if you had a chance, if this was lower, you just cut it off, just cover it with dirt, and then move it over. But in my case, I can't really, because they want to probably same place where it was. So I have to dig this out, break this concrete, and install new ones. This one's, as you can tell, shaky, rusted, falling apart. Alright, if you have any questions or if you want to comment something and some feedbacks, you're more than welcome. So I took it apart. Now I have to take the concrete off so I can put a new one. One here, one there. I have to use a hammer drill. Let's see how it goes. So I dig this out. This is what it was in there. They use this kind. I'm gonna fill in this hole with some concrete, clean it up, realign it, pour some concrete, and put the anchor like similar but a little bit different.